When it comes to weight loss, the importance of nutrient-dense meals cannot be overstated. A balanced plate is a canvas of colorful fruits and vegetables, complemented by lean proteins and whole grains. These foods not only cater to your body's needs, but also contribute significantly to your weight loss journey. Picture a vibrant rainbow on your plate, each color representing a different nutrient that fuels your body. Remember, healthy food doesn't have to be bland. With the right ingredients, you can create meals that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Breakfast, as they often say, is the most important meal of the day. It's the first opportunity you have to fuel your body with nutrients it needs to stay active. So why not make it count? Let's explore some quick and easy breakfast ideas that are as tasty as they are nutritious. How about a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruits and a sprinkle of chia seeds? Or maybe a smoothie packed with spinach, avocado, and a hint of honey for sweetness. If you're more of a savory person, a veggie-filled omelet with a side of whole grain toast might be your go-to. Try one of these breakfast recipes tomorrow morning and experience the difference it makes in your day. Snacking can be a challenge for many on a weight loss journey, but it doesn't have to be. Imagine indulging in a variety of satisfying and healthy snack options that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also keep you fueled between meals. From the crunch of fresh veggies paired with a tangy hummus, to the natural sweetness of fruit combined with the creaminess of Greek yogurt, these snacks can help you stay on track without leading to weight gain. Prepare a nutritious snack for the upcoming week and notice how it helps curb those midday hunger pangs. Dinner should be a satisfying and enjoyable part of your day. We're not just talking about taste, but also about the feeling of nourishment and fulfillment that comes from eating a well-balanced meal. So, let's explore some flavorful dinner recipes that are not only delicious, but also support your weight loss goals. Imagine a vibrant grilled salmon served with a zesty lemon herb quinoa, or a hearty roasted vegetable lasagna that's brimming with fresh seasonal produce. These dinners are not just meals, but celebrations of flavor and nutrition, working in harmony to support your health and happiness. Remember, food is our friend, and with the right recipes, it can be a powerful tool in our weight loss journey. Choose one of these dinner recipes to try this week. Share your experience with us in the comments. Congratulations on completing day 5 of our weight loss challenge. We've journeyed through nutrient-packed plates, quick breakfast ideas, healthy snacks, and tasty dinners. If these recipes spiced up your mealtime, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. More nutritious ideas are on the way. Next up, we're stepping into the realm of workout routines. So, lace up those sneakers and get ready to move. Stay motivated, stay positive, and I'll see you for day 6.